Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Bluetooth pairing problems on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, go into Settings and restart your Bluetooth by turning it off and on. Next, unpair your device. I have my device here. Press the info icon, click Unpair, and wait for it to appear in Available Devices. I use AirPods 3 Pros, so I double tap the front case. Every pairing process is different, so find one that suits your headphones. They should appear here after we click Refresh, then click on them and they pair. If it's not working, simply restart the phone. Press the power button and volume up, swipe up to restart. Also, restart your headphones by closing the case and waiting for the light to disappear. This is a quick restart. Wait for the phone to turn back on. After the restart, as a last resort, update your software. Open Settings, go to System and Update, tap Software Update, and make sure you're on the latest version. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!